Yeah, hi guys. Good afternoon. Today, 25th of June 2024. Here we just took trades in Bank Nifty and Nifty even it is bullish. And in first off, Nifty was sideways. So these are the levers. These are the resistance and support. So let me check the major resistance supports which we drawn before the market, the pre-market analysis. So if you see the pre-market analysis of Nifty 50, you can see here. This is the pre-market analysis of Nifty 50. So here these are the levels. One is 23,620 and another is 23,500. So the same levels you can see here, 23. 620 and 23,500. These are the levels which we analyzed in the pre-market. This is the major support and this is a major resistance. So the market opened and it took resistance here and came down and almost it took support above the previous day high, and later it bounced back and it's given the good breakout. And this is the ascending triangle channel which were formed in the Nifty. So we haven't took any trades in Nifty as it was sideways. So Bank Nifty was too bullish. And if you see, even in sectorial wise, Nifty only the IT is supporting and Fin Nifty is supporting. Remaining sectors, everything is in red. So we took trades in Bank Nifty. So let's see pre-market levels of Bank Nifty. And these are the levels. And 51,850 is the resistance, and 51,100 was the support. So if you see 51,850, this is the 51,850, and these are the 51,100. These are the levels which we drawn in the morning. So meanwhile, what happened after these levels? Market opened and it broken the resistance and it took support above this. It once the resistance has broken, then it will become support. So it took support here and it went up. So meanwhile, we just took one trade in the morning itself, and here it is. Total we took seven trades. Buy and sell becomes 14,782. So total we took seven trades, and here we just took the first trade at 344, and the strike price was 51,800 call. Let's see a 51,800 call. 51,800 call. So if we see 51,800 call here, this is the strike price of 51,800 call chat. So in the morning we took trade somewhere here. Here we took the trade in a 51,500 call. So immediately it hit the stop loss. In the next candle, it hit the stop loss, and the stop loss was around 23 points, 23 to 24 points, you can say. And later we took the trade again at later we took the trade again at 939. So whichever the terminal you're seeing here, this is Dani, and we just switched to Dani. So yesterday we are migrating from another terminal to Dani, and so here we can have good opportunities, like we can directly take trade high by clicking here and adding the quantity. So this there is something a mode called scalp. So here you can take the scalp and you can enter the quantity whichever you want, and you can refresh here and you can enter the quantity, and you can go with buy or sell. This is what the features they have given in the Dani. So we switch to Dani, and let's go to the trade. And here it is trade log 939. We took the trade and the strike price was 51,800. So even in the 931, this is the candle, the entry candle. 931 somewhere else. Let me check. Let me check. There should not be some confusion. So first trade we took at 933, and here we took the trade and immediately got stop loss hit in 934 next candle. 939 we took the trade. 939 and the strike price was 51,800 same. 939. This is the candle we took the trade here, and we just placed. We took the trade and we just played stop loss somewhere below the candle here itself, and later what happened, once it getting up and we just bought stop loss to the support area. So here we just placed the stop loss, then again it went up and it's almost given 1 is to 3.5. So we just booked this, and here almost we booked, I think, some 94 points we just booked here. So in the previous stop loss it took around some 24 25 points. Here you can see the 24 it's showing 24.45. So here we took almost 93 94 points. So the strike has been closed, I think. Later we took entry in 51 900 call. So let me go to 51 900 call. 51 900 call. So this is the 51 900 call. So if you see the 51 900 call at the timestamp of around 10 20 1020 2020 we took the trade in 51,900 call. Here it is. Let's see. So what happened here, we just took the trade and we just placed the stop loss below the entry candle here somewhere else. So immediately the market tried to move up, but it's not sustained above the upper levels. Then again it came down and it's hit the stop loss, but this is not the stop loss. What we did, once the movement has went almost 1:1, we just placed the stop loss to trailing, and from the stop loss we just placed to cost. So in this something around some 2 points 3 points something, it's got closed. You can see here itself, 1020 we took the trade at 386.20 and 384, some 2.20 pies. It just went away. Then later again we took the trade in 52,000 call. So let's see, 52,000 call. Yeah, here it is, the 52,000 call. So in this 52,000 call, around the timestamp of 52,000 call, 1051 we took the trade, and 1051 here we took the trade, and this is the candle, and we just put the stop loss to cost, and immediately it went almost 1:1. So we placed the stop loss to cost. So immediately the stop loss got hit after the consolidation here. So parallelly we'll analyze the market and the trade logic between these trades. We'll check there. So again, then later on what we did, and we just took again the 52,000 strike somewhere here, some 1125 I think. So here you can see, I took 60 quantity and I exited 15 quantity once, and 45 quantity again. So at 351 I entered the trade, and 351 I closed the trade. There is cost to cost, and here you can see one point it's gone. So we can calculate this as cost to cost. Again I took trade at 1125 at 22 100 put side we took the entry as it is trading at resistance. So 22 100 put, 20 52, sorry 52 100 put at timestamp of 1125, 52 100 put, 52 100 put. So this is the strike price chart. Let's see where we took the entry. Here we took the entry, somewhere here we took the entry. Here it is showing. So what happened, we took the entry here, and immediately it's tried to come back. So I just closed with some I think around some 16 points. I think I closed here. You can see 256 I got entered, and I exited at 272. So these are there is a failed and cancelled orders which is not executed here from the chat. So we did executed it manually. So this is the thing. Later again I took the trade at 1226, 52,000 call, 52,000 call, 52,000 call. This is the trade I took somewhere here at the timestamp of 52,000 call at 1226. I took the trade 1226. You can see the put trades. These are two. These two are not calculated because it's cancelled and it's failed. So when I took the entry here, I exited here. Then later I took the entry at 1236. The quantity of 60. The quantity of 60 you can see clearly here. 1226. I just entered the trade. 1226. This is the morning hours trade. This is the morning hours trade. 52,000 somewhere we entered here. This is the morning hour trade, whichever is showing. So this is the entry we took, and here it is around some candle was 1226 candle we took the trade. Let's check the time. Yeah, it's clearly mentioned in timestamp. 1226 we took the trade, and the quantity was 60. At 372 we took the trade, and here we took the trade. And the trade logic between these all, the market was bullish, and here in retest we took the trade, and again in this breakout we took the trade in the first hour. Then later in second half we tried to take in second half, but meanwhile what happening, market is consolidating in a short range. Here what happening, the bears will push the market, and from here the bulls will push the market. This is the symmetric bullish symmetric triangle. This is but the breakout which given, it is a symmetric bullish breakout. So in this breakout, after once it got broken, we took the trade here itself, and we just executed some 60 quantity here and another 60 quantity here, because we added some more quantity due to the market is bullish. And even you can see the banks are supporting the market. Even, this is HDFC, ICICI, SBI and Axis, Kotak, Indus, and these are supporting the market. And parallelly the nifty also moving up. You can see the nifty also moving up parallelly. So here you can see the nifty also moving up. So we confirm after the confirmation from Nifty and weightages. We added some another 60 more quantity. So at 12:26 we added some 60 quantity, and 12:30 we added some 60 quantity here. So the average price we captured, it's around some 525. You can see these are the, you should not calculate these three, and here 525. So whichever the points we captured in this 60 quantity, we captured some 153 points. This is what happens. The market takes, it will take small stop loss, and if it want to give, it will give good this thing. You can see here the trade logic average price. Yeah, okay, it's showing the average price. So whenever the market takes, it will take small stop loss, and whenever it gives good profit, and we should wait for the target. Even you can trial like somewhere here 20 points or 10 points, you can trial it, it could be good. So there is no retest back, and here the retest came in 1 minute. So here we trailing stop loss got hit, and we just exited from the trade. So in this strike 52,000 at 60 quantity of 1226, it's given 153 points, and again in this 1230 timestamp of 52,000 same 60 quantity, it given some 55 points. You can calculate here 470 minus 520 55, and 372 minus 525 153. So these are the trades which took, and we are trying to minimize the trades as we discussed in the previous video. So yesterday we was migrating from first stock to Dani, so we haven't took any trades like we want to transfer our funds from there to here. So meanwhile there is nothing happened yesterday. So this is the thing. We are closed, and I mean, let's check the P&L. I think some 170 points. I think yeah, some 170 points, some 70,000 we have closed. So everything is good, but Bank Nifty, it's trading at all-time high. So you can see the Bank Nifty, what happened. These are the major resistance supports we discussed previously. So from here, the symmetric breakout has been given as bullish triangle, bullish breakout. So here it's consolidated and it went out, but the retest it's coming. The premium is dropping much. You can see the premium. I will show you the premium. The premium is dropping much here. So if you see candle wise, so let me place this into 1 minute. So if you see here, let's check 1 o'clock candle roughly. We'll see 1 o'clock candle somewhere here, the 1 o'clock candle. So the market trying to break up, but the premium is not moving up much. So if it comes down with some 10 to 15 points also, the premium is dropping much. See here, you can understand this. So the previous low here it is, and in the market it's taken out and it's coming down much. You can see the fluctuality and all. So this is what happens. You should entry and exit immediately. In option buying, what happens? You could not stay for long. If it is an option selling, that could be okay because the theta will support you and there will be some premium decay, and it may give some profit and additional profit to you. So this is the thing. This is the Bank Nifty. If we think the Bank Nifty analysis, if we required, let's see the analysis, Bank Nifty analysis. Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow probably. So here it's broken 52,500. So if I want to draw a support here, I will go with some 51,500. 51,500 will be the support, and 51,500 will be the major support like this, and 51,500 will be the support, a major support, and 52,000 also be a major support here. Here again, if it's sustained above 52,000, then it could be some another move, but it should not go directly upper side. It should retest bit low and it should move up again. So this is what the analysis of Nifty, Bank Nifty, sorry, Bank Nifty. Let's see, the breakout has been given and the retest has coming. It should go up like this and it should come retest like this and it should go up. If the low breaks here, then again there will be something like this. And these are the zone. It could come down fastly, and this is the consolidation zone here. So this is what happens. We should check for the double top. If it is coming, if it is looks like the bearish, then we should check for double top and head and shoulder patterns and those all. So okay, we'll close for the day, and we just made the profit of around some 170 points. This is what happened, and we haven't increased the quantity from the initial trade. So if we increase the quantity, like this should be some 37 and 38 like that, because see, we just went with the only 60 quantity here, and the points which are capturing it's much good, because in first trade we can see 25 points we lost, and second trade we captured some 94, and the remaining trades are some cost to cost. Then again we just captured 16 points, because put side it could not give, because the market is bullish and we should not go against the trend sometimes. We just captured some 16 points. Then later we again captured some 153 points, and again 55 points. This is okay. uh, the trades we are trying to minimize. I'm repeating again. So thanks for the day, and this is the total P&L we are closing. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.